Students, next we will discuss about the excretion in animals. Okay. Now first organism that we will discuss that are amoeba. In case of amoeba, what are the excretory products that are produced? One, that is carbon dioxide. Second, that is ammonia. Ammonia, it is considered as a nitrogenous waste. It should be removed from the body. And water. So CO2 means the carbon dioxide, it is removed through the diffusion process through the cell membrane, and ammonia and water through the contractile vacuole that are present in the amoeba. Next organism is an earthworm. In case of earthworm, the tubular structures called nephridia. Now what are nephridia? These are the long tubule like structures. Okay, and what they will do? They absorb the waste substances that are produced in the body of the earthworm, and they drain these excretory products, excretory substances into the intestine region, and from the intestine to the anus, and from the anus the waste substances that are removed from the body. And the moist skin, it also act as the excretory organ in case of earthworm. Now third is in case of human beings. So all of you know that kidneys, they act as the excretory organ in case of human beings. Okay, and what is present in the kidney which is responsible for the removal of the nitrogenous waste? So that is nephron. Kidneys that consist of millions of nephrons. Okay, later on we will study about the nephron in detail. First of all, we will discuss about the waste products that are produced in the human body. So what are the waste products or the excretory products which are produced in the human body? These are carbon dioxide and urea. Carbon dioxide, it is produced during respiration process. Okay, during the respiration process, because by the process of the oxidation of food, this carbon dioxide that is produced, and how it is removed? It is removed through the exhalation process. Okay, and urea. Urea, it is produced in the liver. How? By the decomposition of the unused proteins in the liver. Okay, urea, it is produced, and urea, it is a nitrogenous toxic substance, so it should be removed from the body. And how urea it removes from the body? By the formation of the urine by the kidneys. Means kidneys, they are responsible for the formation of urine. Okay, kidneys, they are responsible for filtering the blood, and after the filtration of the blood, urine it is produced, which consists of urea as well as some excess salt and water. This is the structure of the excretory system, human excretory system. Okay, so it consists of two kidneys that are present. Renal artery is present. This renal artery, it brings the dirty blood. Dirty blood means, it means